Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your brother. Today I am going to show you an experiment that proves air contains water vapor. For that we need a glass and ice cubes. First we have to add the ice cubes in the glass. You will see the water droplets on the outer surface of the glass. This is because water vapor present in the air condenses and forms small drops of water. This activity proves that air contains water vapor. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Till then, goodbye.